You want to bloom your adenium like this? For this, you have to make your adenium a correct soil mix. In this video, we will teach you how to make the correct soil mix for your adenium, how to increase its codex, and how to make your adenium plant grow healthy. You can also hang your adenium if you are facing a fungus issue or root rot problem. To make adenium soil mix, firstly, you have to select the right pot with a lots of drainage hole so that no extra water hold in your pot. We will be using clay balls or the brick pieces at the bottom of the pot to make drainage more efficient. Now to make actual soil mix, we need 1 part vermicompost, or we can use any cow dung compost, and 1 part normal garden soil. Soil must be fresh and free from fungus. And the final, we will mix 2 parts sand. This will make your drainage system very good and your soil will get porous. Now we have to mix our soil mix thoroughly so that every part of soil get enough amount of sand and nutrition in it. Adding a little bit of fungicide is very important as adenium plant are more prone to get fungus attack. Now your healthy soil mix is ready for adenium plant. Now let me show you how you can grow an adenium plant in a pot. Make sure you mix it well so that every single grain of soil get enough amount of fungicide in it. This will protect your adenium. See how beautiful our soil mix is ready to get maximum number of blooms. To grow adenium in a pot, I am using a transparent jar just for a reflection of my pot. Firstly, you can place the clay ball or the brick pieces, or you can apply both. This will make sure that no water holding is at the bottom of the pot. After this, we can add the soil mix and we can grow our adenium plant in this pot. Let us see how we can grow adenium plant in a small pot. You have to select a pot which is adequate and have enough amount of soil mix in it. Firstly, place some paper so that soil or clay balls doesn't come out of this pot. Now we will apply some clay balls and bricks pieces at the bottom of the pot. If you have both, then don't hesitate and use them in this soil. Now we will grow our adenium plant, and here is the trick. You have to grow your adenium plant just above the line of the soil mix. Let me clear you in simple words. First we have grown till here. Now we will grow our adenium till here, nearly 1 to 2 inches above the soil level. This will allow your adenium plant to grow your roots more, and also it will increase the cortex size as the cortex is above the soil mix. Make sure once you have grown the adenium, it does not move, or you can use some stones or thread to tie it up. Now once you have planted your adenium, give water thoroughly throughout the pot. This will make sure that your adenium will start growing its roots. And also let me show you how our soil mix is working. It is well drained soil, and also it is having lots of porousness in it. This will make your adenium to grow healthy and make your adenium to bloom more. Adenium cortex bigger. Here you will see how we can grow our adenium cortex bigger with simple few tips and tricks. We will just have to take out the adenium plant from the existing soil mix. After removing, we will clean our adenium plant and remove all the soil. This will make sure that no roots get damaged, and we will see our adenium plants are healthy or not. After giving 2-3 strokes, your soil will come out, and now it's time to dry your adenium plant, and make sure you do not give water after this, as they have to grow under a process which will come to know within few minutes. Keep them in sunlight and let the roots get dry. This is the last sunlight they will receive. After 24 hours, your adenium roots will get fully dry up. Now it's time to prune your adenium plant, and this will encourage new growth and new branches, and this will allow your adenium to absorb more water, and your cortex will get even bigger in size. Remember to keep your adenium in full shade, and no water must be given at the top of these branches, as this may attract fungus and can root rot your adenium plant. Now at this stage, your adenium are ready to hang. Tie them with a proper tightly strong thread and hang them in shady environment for nearly up to 10 to 15 days. You can even hang them for nearly 21 days. After 15 to 30 days, depending upon your situations, we have to take, or we have to grow our adenium in soil. First we will free them from this thread and we will grow them individually. Why we have done this? The first question is this, and the answer is this will protect your adenium from any fungus or root rot problem, and this will also encourage the cortex size to get bigger. As plant has not received a single drop of water, so plant will think that the drought condition has ended, and once it receives the water, it will increase the cortex size for nearly 1-2 inches. Don't worry, I will show you the result. We will work on this plant, and after few days you have seen that my adenium plant is growing leaves. It means the plant needs water to absorb. Now we will make the soil mix, that is in equal ratio sand, vermicompost and soil. You can use any type of pot. I am using a bonsai tray with a good drainage hole. We will cover drainage hole with some stone pebbles or any type of cocoa peat part, and fill the base part of the pot with sand. This will make sure to no water logging. Now fill the pot with this soil, and now we have to grow our adenium just above 1 inches from the base part as told earlier. See how beautiful our adenium plant is looking. Now we will measure the cortex of our adenium plant. With the help of measuring tape, our adenium looks like its cortex is nearly 10 inches thick. It's time to give water to our adenium plant, and my adenium plant is receiving water after nearly 1 month. It will start absorbing water, and it will also create new fibrous root which will absorb much part of the water, and the cortex will get increased. After few days, see how my adenium is looking so fresh and healthy and developed so many leaves. My adenium plant is very thankful to me as I've done the whole process. Do the same to increase this cortex size. Let's measure the size. Woohoo, we have got just one increase in size. Here you can see my adenium cortex is nearly 11 inches in thickness. Let me share one secret with you. You can do this process in any month. And after few days, my adenium got half inches more thick, nearly 11.5, and it will get more thick and thick and thick. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like if you love it. Do subscribe my channel, and if you want to know what we have done to this adenium, please comment down. Want more videos on adenium plant, and I will show the result and the whole process what we have done to this and why we have done this. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Bye bye.